Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video, and if you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what happens is YouTube will notify you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform. That's where you participate, that if you're enjoying my content, please take that second to give me that thumbs up. It's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So thanks again for doing that ahead of time. All right. Today, I'm excited to share with you, and I completely forgot that I even ordered this. There is a point section in IPSY that when you do your reviews, you gain points, and then you get to redeem those points if there's something in the points section that's open the entire month, where you get to choose items that are in there. And sometimes they have a lot of great items, and sometimes they're few and far between. But when something pops up in there, and I always check it periodically, there was a palette that I wanted, and I said to myself, if it shows up in the add-on section, I'll grab it, and I didn't see it there, but it showed up in the point section, and the one that I'm talking about is the Violet Voss Essentials 2. And I'm going to go through everything with you, and we'll do some swatching, but one of my favorite palettes was the Violet Voss, and still is, the Essentials palette. I'm going to open it and share it with you, but do not judge. This is a very loved palette, and I will show you it inside, and we'll go through both of them. But the one that I'm really excited to share with you today that I got in the points section is the Violet Voss, and this cost me 1,800 points, and I redeemed it on December the 1st. And then what ends up happening is if whatever you redeem in your points section, it shows up in the following month in one of your bags. And I saw this palette and I couldn't understand, and I couldn't find the paperwork, so I put it aside and I didn't show it in any of the videos. And then I remembered that I had a paper on my desk to remind me that this was going to be coming in my box. So, because when it's December 1st and then the box shows up the latter half of January, it's you don't remember. So that's where I do these little papers for myself. So this is what it is. It says, get exactly what makeup lovers love. Every single shade in this 10-pan eyeshadow palette is pure bliss. It is carefully curated collection of everyday neutrals and party-approved brights that allow you to play it cool or go bold depending on your vibe. Mix and match these 3 different finishes. They have mattes, shimmers, and metallics to create the endless eye look. Like all Violet Voss shadows, these babies are ultra pigmented, supremely buildable, and last on your lids for hours. And if you're not familiar with Violet Voss, they're saying they can hardly pick up a Violet Voss palette without being wowed by the intensely pigmented shadows. It's made in sunny Southern California. They're formulated from high quality ingredients, and they're easy to use whether you're a makeup pro or just a beauty enthusiast. I'm the beauty enthusiast, and I love everything Violet Voss. I have their large holy grails. I have their mini, if you ever see their fun size. They are fantastic. But what I pulled out today to share with you guys is, of course, the one that we're going to go through together, and then the Essentials, which is where I wanted to see what the differences were. So this is it comes with the safety shield. There is a full mirror on the top, and these are the gorgeous, gorgeous colors in the Essentials number 2. And that's what we're going to be swatching here today. And I'm just going to show you up close so I should have tried to clean this up a little bit, but this is, I'll try to do it upside down. This is the one that is the Essentials, and those colors are always ones that I gravitate to, and I'm going to pick up the one that is the newest one here so you guys can see the difference. So if you already own this one or you already own that one, you'll be able to know if you want the other, and that's the differences between those there. But I'm going to swatch the new one because that's the one that is new to me, and I'm excited to be able to share with you what these are all about. Okay, so we're going to do the first 4, and like they said, this is a 10-pan. So this is called Beige Clay, Rose Gold, that's your shimmer, and Chocolate Brown. They're very, very pigmented. They're beautiful, beautiful colors. What I love about Violet Voss is you can use an eyeshadow primer, you can wear no eyeshadow primer, and you will get the pigmentation and the shadows last on your lids all day. And I have lids that tend to go a little bit oily, and I'm going to do the bottom 4, and then I'm going to do the last 2 at the end. This one here is Wild Orchid, Blue Violet, Aqua, and Sky Blue. And I love when palettes have the neutrals and then they have these gorgeous pops of color, so that you can just spruce up anything that if all of a sudden you're wearing a top that you want to match a color, it's right there for you. So really, really pretty to share that with you guys. And then let's just do the last 2. And the last 2 look like they're shimmer shades, and they're called Bronze and Copper. So let's see what we got here. And that's what those guys look like there. Stunning. Look at that cop. Look at them. Look, and there's still so much on my fingers. So, so beautiful. So that's the essentials too. And I wanted to share that with you guys with that in the points section. Always take 2 minutes to go in there and take a look, because you never know what's available. And sometimes they give these type of deals like for 1,800 points for other reasons, like if they want you to, you know, sign up somebody, or they show up usually around the middle of the month. So I was shocked when I saw this on December the 1st. And I just went in on the 1st just to make sure that all my reviews and everything were done, so that when the 2nd happens, because in the IPSY world, the 2nd is always that IPSY day where we get to make our choices and we get to see what's in our bags, and then we also get the add-ons. So I wanted to go in on the 1st to see what was all about, and then this was available. So 1,800 points you get by, like I said, doing your reviews. Be honest with your reviews, because they do look at those reviews. And if you say you love black mascara, you'll see probably some more black mascaras. But if you say you don't like black mascaras, or so on and so forth in your reviews, what I'm saying is just be honest, because I really think they look at the reviews. So that's what I wanted to share with you that I got. The other thing that I wanted to share is I got a beautiful gift from Life with Lois, and I wore the silver. I'll make sure to try to leave that video down below. I got a beautiful, beautiful bracelet from her, a silver, stunning, stunning necklace that came a little bit not in the best condition, but my brother thankfully is a MacGyver, and he was able to fix it, and I was able to wear it in that video. And then the other item that I got was this stunning, stunning necklace that I just could not wait to be able to share with you guys on my body, to be able to show you how beautiful this is. And what's nice about and unique about this type of necklace, it's the type that you can twist a little bit, and then it almost looks like a completely different necklace. So you get a lot of different uses out of this. But I just had to find something to wear that I can have this to be able to show to you guys. And I wanted to take the opportunity to thank Lois again. And if you're not following Life with Lois, she has a very unique channel. She is very soft-spoken. She shares everything about her life. She shares where she lives. She takes you on drives. Her husband also does some taste tests with her, and he's a hoot. But like I said, I don't, receive a lot of giveaways. I don't enter a lot of giveaways. Hers was based on, you leave comments, and I've been leaving comments forever on Lois, because she's one of those channels that I always like to watch. There's something about her that just seeps into my soul and makes me feel good. So I always try, whenever I have an opportunity to watch, she is a channel that I do watch. And like I said, I see every week she's giving away these jewelry pieces that she supposedly bought, and she was going to sell and chose not to resell. So she has all this inventory, and what she's done on her channel is she offers these weekly giveaways just for people that leave comments, and then I guess you get picked. But I've always loved her comments, and this is the first time that a package came my way, and I felt a little guilty. And then when the card that she wrote was just beyond beautiful, and the pieces that she chose for me were so bang on about who I am and what I like to wear, it just made me feel even more connected to her. So if you get an opportunity, definitely check her channel out. I'll try to leave that link down below as well. But like I said, I wanted to wear it and thank her again. So once again, this is a video about the IPSY points section, and I wanted to make sure that you guys check do your reviews, get the points, and then you can end up with some free product in your future bags. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, I always like to end my videos during this time that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.